What's up, everybody? It's Jonathan with Lone Wolf Day Trading, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that tuned in to my live stream that took place Saturday night. That's where I announced the giveaway. We gave away the TradeNet intro account. We gave away Litecoin, and for everyone that commented on the giveaway video is getting a Lone Wolf Day Trading t-shirt. So just make sure if you commented, you send me your mailing address so I can get that out to you. Again, thank you for everyone that tuned in. I think we had a good time, and I mean, it went for 4.5 hours. 4.5 hours. Oh, wow. But we had a good time, so I definitely not complaining whatsoever. In regards for the trading today, it was a little different. It really was. Trading a large cap with a small account, it's very different because you could easily blow your account. Yeah, you can only get a certain amount of shares, but with large caps, you're dealing with large spreads. And they're big movers. I mean, a dollar movement is easy compared to if you're trading a small cap stock. You're not going to have as much movement as you would with the larger cap. That's just how it goes. But again, my watch list was a little small. I didn't really have too many choices, so I made what I had work, and that's really what it comes down to. So again, thank you for everyone tuning into the live stream. Thank you all. Congrats to the winners of the giveaway. I'm truly happy for everybody, and let's go ahead and we'll get into the video. All right, so we have about 40 seconds till market open. We are starting to get a volume spike right here in BABA. Now it could be spiking and it may drift off as soon as market opens. But again, I want to keep an eye on it, and we just want to remember the previous day's low. Get closer to that. Now I only have about 70 shares I can go in fully with my buying power, and that takes away my ability to average out. 180.73 is the previous day's low. We'll keep an eye on that. But again, I only have 70 shares. I'll put 50 shares in just to start, just to give me some cushion if I wanted to average out. Okay, so market just opened, and let's see how this works out right here. The momentum spike may have taken all of the buying out, shorters taking profits. Okay, so a lot of people would short right here, seeing that downward pressure, but I wanted to get closer to that previous day's low. That's the biggest thing that I look for. Now we have a high of 179.95. So if we can break that, break the whole dollar, it would be beautiful because it's becoming even more overextended. And I want to have a great entry because I only have 70 shares I can go in total. I mean, this is a very big disadvantage for me, but I want to trade. I want to get a trade in, and I'm not going to push it, but just have to be smart about it. So we have a beautiful spike here. Okay, short it. Okay, 180.14. Wow, that's actually a really good entry. The high is 35. We're only risking, what is that, 21 cents? So only risking 21 cents, $10.50. I'll put 20 shares in the montage if I wanted to add, if it's going to spike. But again, if it starts to spike a lot against me, we'll just call it a loss because it could continue to go up even further. But we are close. 180.35 is really close to that previous day's low. A lot of people don't keep that in mind. Okay, we're getting a pullback right here. It's showing a lot of support. That's definitely something to be concerned about, especially since we're getting close to that moving average. Is the moving average going to hold it up? That's something we want to keep in our mind. We're up about $19 right now. Have 50 shares in the montage. I want to be patient with it, but there's a lot of pressure here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get out of the trade. $17.50. I can't complain about that. All right, so I just wanted to bring it over back to Mr. Kitty. Yeah, I just want to give a background of that. You don't always have to hold to try to get that 2-to-1, 3-to-1, or even a 1-to-1. If it doesn't feel right to you, either you can lower how many shares you have and give it some more time, or just get out of it completely as I did. And as you see, I mean, I made the right move in this case because it just kept on breaking highs and it didn't go back down to where my entry was. So just be a very smart trader. Be cognizant of what's going on, how the SPY is moving. how the individual stock is moving in accordance with the VWAP, moving averages and such. Just be smart about it. You know, I knew with this larger price stock, I could only get about 70 shares. I went in 50 shares and I only had 20 shares to play with. I knew if it broke against that high, I wouldn't have the ability to average it out. I would just have a very big loss with 70 shares if I decided to go in with that amount. So just be smart about it. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me. Also, check out the Discord. I mean, it's an amazing support group. It truly is. Very active people, very knowledgeable people. Definitely excited to be a part of it. Also, be on the lookout for the cryptocurrency. It's coming out. You know, I'm very excited about it, and I know it's going to be a great success. As a team, we've worked too hard for it not to be. And cryptocurrency as a whole, I believe it has a lot of potential. So I believe we're getting in a key point in time. And hey, basically the moon's the limit. So definitely excited about it. Thank you all so much for checking out the video. I want to post more videos. I truly do. It's just a lot of time consuming stuff going on right now. Thank you all so much for the continued support. Truly appreciate it. More than appreciate it. Trust me. This is Jonathan, Mr. Kitty with Lone Wolf Day Trading, and stay green.